Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we're going to build a real quick, it's essentially a marble run, but it's very small. I've built a bigger kit that was made of like Duplo-sized blocks. This is more like regular standard Lego-sized blocks, but these are not made from Lego blocks or bricks, okay? Just so you know that. Let's just get it open real quick here and see what's inside. We got some base plates. We got Lego-sized bricks. They feel incredibly light, though. I'll say that. Incredibly light. And here's our instructions there. We'll take a look at that real quick. So it shows you essentially one build, how to build it. And then, of course, you can take it from there and do whatever you want. Thanks for watching here. I'll get this put together on camera, and then we'll give it a quick review. Okay, so far I am finding that bricks, the colors it's showing on the instructions, this one says like an orange, red, or not orange, green, red, and blue. I see plenty of greens. There's plenty of yellows and oranges of those. There are no reds and no blues as far as I can find in here. So, may not be a problem at all, honestly. You know, just won't be able to match the colors at all. But, we'll keep plowing on here and see what we got. Okay, well, I got it all together. It is made from about the cheapest bricks that you can imagine. They're light, they're very thin, and this thing fails in just about every direction. It just doesn't have the support to give it things enough support so they can roll and be in the right levels to actually operate. So really I'm just going to throw this whole thing in the trash in just a second. Thanks for watching Stone's Reviews. Please consider giving us some likes and subscribes. Please support us on Patreon for $3 a month. Get ad-free access to our videos. That's $3. Help you decide what to love making next. And it's not going to be this. Thanks.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.